Online courses and workshops, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. The landscape of education has dramatically transformed with the advent of online courses and workshops, offering flexibility, accessibility, and a vast array of topics. Online education has become a go-to option for learners worldwide. This blog delves into the intricacies of online courses and workshops, exploring their structure, benefits, and how to effectively utilize them. What are online courses and workshops? Online courses. These are structured learning experiences delivered via the internet, usually consisting of video lectures, readings, quizzes, and assignments. They can range from short tutorials to full-fledged degree programs offered by universities. Online workshops. Workshops are more interactive and often focus on hands-on skills or specific topics. They usually involve real-time participation, group activities, and direct interaction with instructors. Types of online courses and workshops. 1. Self-paced courses. Learners progress at their own speed. Ideal for those with tight schedules. 2. Instructor-led courses. Follow a set schedule with deadlines and live sessions. 3. MOOCs. Massive open online courses, free or low-cost courses available to anyone with internet access, often provided by universities and companies. 4. Boot camps. Intensive, short-term programs focusing on skills like coding, digital marketing, or design. 5. Webinars and live workshops. Real-time sessions often including Q&A segments and interactive components. How online courses and workshops work. 1. Enrollment. Sign up on the platform offering the course. This can range from free registration to paid subscriptions. 2. Course material access. Gain access to video lectures, reading materials, and discussion forums. 3. Assignments and quizzes. Complete tasks and tests to reinforce learning. 4. Interaction. Engage with instructors and peers through forums, live chats, and video calls. 5. Certification. Many courses offer certificates upon completion, which can be added to resumes or LinkedIn profiles. Benefits of online courses and workshops. 1. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. 2. Accessibility. Study from anywhere with an internet connection. 3. Variety. A wide range of topics and disciplines to choose from. 4. Cost-effective. Often cheaper than traditional education, with many free options. 5. Skill development. Focus on practical skills and knowledge that can be applied immediately. Choosing the right course or workshop. 1. Identify your goals. Determine what you want to achieve. 2. Research providers. Look for reputable platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX, and LinkedIn Learning. 3. Read reviews. Check feedback from previous participants. 4. Consider the format. Decide if you prefer self-paced or instructor-led. 5. Check requirements. Ensure you meet the prerequisites and have the necessary technology. Platforms offering online courses and workshops. 1. Coursera. Partners with universities and organizations to offer courses and degrees. 2. Udemy. A marketplace for individual instructors to offer courses. 3. edX. Founded by Harvard and MIT, provides university-level courses. 4. LinkedIn Learning. Offers courses focused on professional development. 5. Khan Academy. Free educational resources for a variety of subjects. Tips for success in online learning. 1. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific times for studying. 2. Stay organized. Keep track of deadlines and course materials. 3. Participate actively. Engage in discussions and ask questions. 4. Set goals. Define what you want to achieve each week. 5. Take breaks. Avoid burnout by taking regular breaks. Conclusion. Online courses and workshops offer a flexible, accessible, and effective way to acquire new skills and knowledge. Whether you're looking to advance your career, explore a new hobby, or earn a degree, there's an online course or workshop to meet your needs. By understanding how they work and how to choose the right one, you can make the most of these educational opportunities.